Hi everyone, my name is Maya. I'm originally from Baltimore, Maryland, but I currently live in Iowa. I want to do a Modern Gents review. I purchased 3 rings from the company, but before I get into the review, I wanted you all to know that I chose this company because of their mission. They are dedicated to providing affordable, high quality, durable, elegant, and modern jewelry. I was looking for a travel ring, and so I opted to go with the lovely in sterling silver. I bought this in May of 2019, so it's been over a year of regular wear and use. But this ring is just so beautiful. I just wear it even when not traveling. It shines, it sparkles. I haven't had any issues with stones falling out. I cook, I clean with it. She's lovely and she stands up to her name. People stop me. They cannot believe how beautiful it is. And I'm still in awe, honestly, of how well it's held up for over a year. If you like a large stone, she's for you. This is for you. Definitely a showstopper. Look at her sparkle. I also purchased the Sadie and the Mia about a month and a half ago, and I bought those in rose gold. They are so dainty and so elegant. The stones sparkle. I haven't had any issues with plating. No tarnishing, no fading. None of the stones are falling out. I also wear these regularly. I bought these to match my 14 karat rose gold set, and next to the ring, to my real ring, they are indistinguishable. Very, very beautiful. The plating looks so natural. It looks like, the real deal. They're just so elegant and so sparkly and so dainty. I love them. I highly recommend the Modern Gents Trading Company. They have a great customer service and they offer a lifetime warranty, which is amazing. Most companies do not offer that. If you're not looking for an engagement or wedding ring, they have other jewelry. They have earrings, necklaces, bracelets. They also have men's jewelry. So I think you should give them a try. You definitely will not be disappointed. Thank you for watching.